Hi, thank you for coming back to my channel to watch this video. The ticking that you hear is my Haunted Mansion Disneyland clock. And you may or may not hear Bruce play with this toy. He's beside me with his toy, and I don't know if he's gonna go to sleep or start playing with it. The planner that you're looking at is a Happy Planner Disney collaboration, which you can only purchase in the United States. Apparently Disney isn't allowing these planners to be shipped out. It has something to do with licensing from what I've read and what I've heard from other ladies who posted about this planner. I had no plans on buying another planner, but it's just been really depressing and stressful these past couple of weeks that I thought for 2021 I just wanted something happy to look at all year, and I think this might do it. So this is a vertical planner. I bought it from the Happy Planner site. I had I guess like their rewards points, and I was able to get a discount on this and some other sticker books that I bought from Happy Planner. So this is a vertical layout, 12 months, so it's from January 2021 to December 2021. And in case you were wondering, because I didn't realize until later that the disc here, they're heart-shaped. On the website they are selling, I think it's black disc with the Mickey head. I don't know why I assumed that the Mickey head would be, you know, imprinted on the rings, but it's not. It's just the hearts. So in case you're wondering, that's what it is. It's hearts and not Mickey head. So I don't know if you can see that or not. So this is, I took off the paper covering that's generally on it, and then here's the back. So that is what the layout would look like. So this is the first page, and I'm just going to do a real quick flip through because I know other ladies, I think they're called Happy Planner Squad members, have done their flip through. But in case my viewers, who are generally Hobonichi users, are into Disney stuff like I am, this may be something that you may be interested in too. So this is, I guess, is it called a perpetual calendar? It's kind of cute. Mickey and Minnie here on the bottom. So this is January. Kind of cute. And this is the January month layout. And let me just show you what a weekly layout would look like. And I like how really simple it is. And if you watched my past videos, I did buy the sticker books, Disney sticker books. So I'm thinking about using those sticker books in here. So that should make this planner fun to use next year. This is February. And I think here's February, the monthly layout. And I think the rest of this is how they all look. So not many changes. And then one quote, start your day with a dance party. And then it goes back to plain. Here's March. Really cute. Red foil. And in case you didn't know, with the Happy Planner, you can take out the pages like this, and then you can work on your page to decorate or to write in, and then to put it back, you just pop it right in. And as I said in another video a few weeks ago, the Happy Planner was actually my first planner a few years ago. I bought an undated one when it was on sale. Yeah, so I feel like I've come full circle to using this one again. So this is March. Let's go to April. National Pet Day. So cute with Figaro and Minnie. There's May. May monthly layout. There's June. So cute. Cute. National Best Friends Day. July. And Alpha Traveler, if you're watching this video, go to the happyplanner.com website and get yourself a planner. Then you can plan your Walt Disney World trips. There's the monthly layout. Cute. Here's the International Day of Friendship with Mickey, Donald, and Goofy. Here's August. August monthly. September. This is really cute. September monthly. Here's October. October monthly. November. Cute. Here's Friends Giving Day on November 24. And December. And the December layout. And just one page of, I guess, a note page. This is the back, which is just really plain, but that's all right. So this is the flip through of my vertical Disney Happy Planner for 2021. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you want, subscribe to my channel. I will be showing this flip through when I use it for next year, and as well as my Hobonichi Techos, and again my, what do I have? A 6-ring Michael's Recollection zipped planner, which I'm using for my fitness. I plan on probably doing a flip through of those planners next week, since I hadn't used them in like 2 weeks or so. But thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!